cold. You gotta watch. Gotta watch out with that thing on your back. You almost knocked me out.
Good morning. We're taking off from the
Russell shelter?
No, that was yesterday.
Oh.
Derrick
shelter?
Derrick's shelter. We're, as usual, like the last ones.
Not the last.
Almost.
Fifth to last today.
Princess here takes a while.
Oh my gosh.
Clingman's dome today. And
200 today.
Yeah. It's a pretty nice day.
But it's freaking cold.
Let's get it.
Got a lot of obstacles in the road today.
Remember when you were little kids and you'd pile all the leaves up? We're like in the advanced version of that now. Yeah, they're pretty deep, but it's like they're in Indiana Jones and there's booby traps inside them, like little rocks and roots ready to grab your feet or twist an ankle. Look at this. Starting to see some evergreens now. Not to get too philosophical or anything, but it's pretty cool that even out here where there's death, you know, there's life, or new life. You can see these logs, and as you see, there's all these little baby trees all along, all over these that are starting to grow up out of this log. Pretty cool. These upper portions of the Smokies remind us so much of Washington State, but we would be stuck on switchbacks. But we get a lot of like flat ground. It's so green and mossy everywhere. So cool. Miles. Woo! It's kind of cool that the roads are still closed from the storms the other day, so we get Clingman's Dome all to ourselves. History lesson. So we're sitting here on Clingman's Dome. It's the highest point on the AT. It's 6,643 feet high. And it's named after Thomas Lanier Clingman, one of the several explorers who studied and measured North Carolina's mountains back in the 1850s. And now you know. Up. So we made it to the shelter. Had food. Got set up, got food. Clingman's Dome was awesome. The Smokies are awesome. Today was a little bit longer than we expected. The guides and the maps that we have didn't match the signs that are out here, so we ended up having to hike an extra mile or so. But it was a long, exhausting day. We're gonna get some sleep.
Clingman's Dome was cool because the road is closed. So, like, there's no, like, you have to hike to it. So, it was basically just a bunch of thru hikers. So, that was cool. And we hit 200 miles today. So, yeah.
We're gonna Nero tomorrow. We're gonna do 5 into Gatlinburg and then pop back on the trail. But yeah.
So yeah.
We'll see you all tomorrow.